Let's talk about the currency now, where the Indian rupee has inched 0.5% higher ahead of the budget. How is the rupee expected to trade tomorrow? For that, let's get in Pramit Brahmbhatt. He's CEO Alpari Financials and he joins us live. Pramit, hi, what's your sense now ahead of budget? There's lots of expectation into the markets, but how would you see the rupee trading within?
Hi, the market will be trading very cautious as it is going to trade in the equity market as well before any surprise is coming in the budget. The interesting thing is this is the first budget from Chidambaram in the second term of UPA. So he would like to impress the market as he has done in the past. So we may see some positives coming out of the budget, and that can help the equity market, and subsequently rupee can get stronger. But at this point of time, looking at the budget, market is cautious and do not want to too optimistic about that. So let's see how the budget is coming out, and we'll see the rupee movement accordingly.
Pramit, another big factor, of course, continues to be the international markets. Rupee has been moving more because of that in this week.
That's right. Even though the international market is very volatile and the dollar is getting stronger against the major currencies during the week, even in the last week, we have seen that rupee is comparatively much stronger than the other currencies. If you look at against the euro or against the pound, rupee has managed to sustain the global pressure, even though the market is very pessimistic about the EU again. Rupee has managed to survive the bad side of that, and it has lost out comparatively much lower than the other currencies. So rupee has got a good domestic support that helped rupee to survive, and any good news coming from budget will maintain that stage as well.
Vijay, what's your sense now? 0.5% off again. Is it looking better on charts? How are you trading tomorrow?
Manisha, tomorrow is likely to be a day when players will basically try to second guess policy announcements, and therefore volatility might just be a lot more higher. Impact costs will be higher, and probably traded volumes might be impacted, at least in the second half of the session. My guess is in the currency derivative segment on the NSE in the March future series, I would want to watch 53.60 ideally. But being a very news-laden day, I would give it a 20 paise leeway and give it, say, 53.40. And on the upsides, the USD INR can basically go to 54.40, 54.50 also.
Well, so watch out for that half a rupee movement as we get into the budget day there. Thank you so much, Pramit and Vijay, for joining us.